Good afternoon, students. Saira. Good afternoon to all the parents too. Today's video is regarding the project work that the children will be doing during the vacation which they'll be getting in the first week of June. They'll be getting projects for all the subjects which they will have to do it very neatly. I'll be briefing you about the English project. Now, let's see the materials that you all will be requiring. You will need 4 A4 size papers. Please don't use red, yellow and green color because children are going to use the same colors to do the activity with the crayons. Okay, you will need a pencil, an eraser, a ruler. You will need crayons, sketch pens. You need decorative materials. Keep in mind, please don't use red, yellow and green color paper. You can use any other color paper. Now, I'll just show you a project which was done last year, so you will get an idea how it is to be done. See, this is the project which was done last year by a student. Okay, now we have used 4 sheets of paper. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now all the sheets are given a border. Okay, all the sheets are given a border using a sketch pen. Now after you draw the borders, you have to staple the sheets together neatly. Okay, arrange them properly and staple them. Now this is going to be the cover page of your project. Now on the upper side of the project, okay, here you will write your name, standard, division, school, the subject, the topic, that all you are going to write it on the upper part of the cover page. Now this lower part of the cover page, you can focus your topic very nicely here in this part, what you are going to do. Okay, and you have to do it very neatly, and you can use decorative materials to decorate your cover page. Okay, see, you have to write your name, standard, division. Standard you will write second B. You will write your full name. Okay children, name and surname. Then standard second B. Then you will write your school's name, Shrima Balniketan High School. Subject you will write English, and topic you will write common nouns and proper nouns. As I told you, this will be on the upper part of the cover page. Write it in very nice handwriting. You can use different color sketch pens for writing it. Okay. Now, on the lower part of the cover page, you can focus your topic like this. You can write it in bold handwriting using colorful sketch pens. You can use decorative materials to decorate it. Okay, see here it is written common and proper nouns. So this is how you have to do your cover page. Okay, now I'll tell you how you have to proceed with the other 3 pages. Now in all you will be having 3 pages left, right? first page we have used for the cover page. Now how many are remaining? 3 pages. So you have to draw 12 flowers. Now you will draw 4 flowers on one paper. So that means on the second sheet you will draw 4 flowers, on the third sheet you will draw 4 flowers, and on the fourth sheet you will draw 4 flowers. Okay, so in all you all will draw 12 flowers. See, this is how you all have to draw the flowers. Now when you are drawing the flowers, you have to keep one thing in mind. Okay, the center circle that you have drawn for the flowers should be big enough, because you are going to write the words in the center of all the flowers. So the circle has to be big enough so that you can write the words clearly in nice handwriting. Then you can draw the flower petals around the circle. You can draw the stem, you can draw the leaves and color the leaves. So this is going to be your second sheet. Okay, second sheet you have got 4 flowers. This is your third sheet. Okay, again 4 flowers with stems and leaves, and this is going to be your fourth sheet. Again 4 flowers, stem and leaves. Is that clear? Now here's a list of nouns. Okay, read the nouns very carefully. Now if you see, all the nouns are given numbers 1 to 12. So you have to follow that order when you are writing the words. So the first word is city, second is book, third is Africa, fourth is Delhi, fifth is jug, sixth is Vedant, seventh is tree, eighth is Mr. Shah, ninth Himalayas, 10th school, 11th April, and 12th woman. Okay, now children, you may find it difficult to write it if you staple the sheets in the beginning. So what you can do, you can do all your work on single sheets and in the end you can staple it. Okay, so cover page you can do separately, and all the 3 other sheets also you do it separately one by one, and then staple it together at the end. Otherwise it will be a little difficult for you to write it on the sheets. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to write the given nouns in the middle of the flower in the correct order. I told you the order from 1 to 12. You have to follow the same order and you have to write it in the middle. I told you the circle you have to draw quite big enough so that you have to write the word in it. So you will write the words in the correct order. Now see, this is going to be your second sheet. So you will write the first word here, second, third word, and the fourth word. Okay, clear children? So this is your second sheet. Write in very nice handwriting. Okay, now this is going to be your third sheet. So this is fifth word, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now this is your fourth sheet. Okay, so we have completed 8 flowers. So this is 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay children, clear? Now what you have to do is you will identify the nouns. We all have done common nouns and proper nouns, yes, in the grammar chapter, nouns and now you have to identify it very clearly. It will be easy. It's easy now to identify the nouns, isn't it? So after you identify the nouns, if the noun is a proper noun, then you will color the petals of the proper noun flowers with red color. Okay, only the petals. And color the petals of the flowers which has got common nouns in yellow color. Okay children, I'll show you one example. Now see what I have drawn two flowers, okay, and in the first flower I have written Raj, in the second flower I have written desk. Now which is a common noun here? Desk, correct. And which is the proper noun here? Raj, correct. So what we have to do is the proper noun petals we will color with red, only the petals. Okay children, you will not color it in the center, because if you try to color it in the center, the word will be covered with the color and you will not be able to read the word very clearly. Okay, so only the petals you will color. Okay, so proper noun you will color with red, and the common noun petals you will color with yellow. Okay, this is little dark yellow, but it's okay. Okay, so are you all clear now? The proper nouns you will color with red, and the common noun you will color with yellow. Okay, now if you go wrong in identifying the nouns, you will have to redo again, because once you color it you cannot erase, right? So be very careful when you identify the nouns and while coloring. Okay, so as I told you, do all the sheets separately and then you can staple them in the correct order. You can also use a ribbon to tie all the sheets together. You can make holes with the punch machine and pass a ribbon through and tie up the ribbon, and like that also you can make the booklet. Now, one thing you have to keep in mind children, that the project is for you. Okay, so you have to do it on your own. Yes, you have to write it in your own handwriting. Everything you have to do on your own. Your parents will guide you. Parents, please guide them, but do not do the project for them. Okay, and you, while stapling, please take your parents help. Okay, otherwise you may hurt yourself. Now after you finish the project, keep it very carefully, because you have to submit the project when the school reopens. Okay children, so do all the projects very nicely. You will be getting marks for it. Okay, so all the best, do well. Okay children, thank you, Saira.